golden, soft. Ooh, this just needs some ackee and saltfish. The dumplings never came off the stove, guys. Cooking off, look, them finish. Open mine and just sandwich the tin mackerel. I made mackerel rundown with mine. Tin mackerel rundown. Fried dumpling, the best in the world. Flaky, soft, and nice. Look at that. It's crispy and soft at the same time. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of sugar, put some salt in there, a tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of butter. Use your fingertips to blend out the cold butter and gradually add water until the dough comes together. But take your time, add your water until the dough is formed. Your dough should start looking like this. A bit rough on the edges, but use your finger and slowly get it in. Clean off the edges of the plate. The dough should look like this. So I'm going to put it to rest. Just checking if it's ready. It's not ready yet. Needs to rest a little bit more. Look how beautiful that is. So when your dough is stretchy like that, you know it's ready. You know when you used to do candy, you stretch it out. So your dough must look like this. Ensure that the dumpling is kneaded nice and neat. And you can just put them there. You can just roll them. Roll it out. Ready? They're looking good. Presentation counts, guys, so ensure that small and looking neat and tidy. My daughter loves fried dumpling. Get your pot heated, not too hot. Pour your oil in. Start adding your dumpling. Press them out a little bit. They will rise just the same. So covering helps the dumpling to steam and fry at the same time. Keep them turning, guys. Just check on them, don't let them burn. And now that they're looking really beautiful, just keep them turning. Some countries call them bakes. We call them fried dumpling in Jamaica. And what do you eat your fried dumpling? Dumplings are ready, so just scoop them out and put them on a paper towel. What a beautiful set of dumplings. Wow. Golden. Use a fork and soft. Ooh, this just needs some ackee and saltfish or tin mackerel. But look, you can see it's well fried, crispy and soft at the same time.